Hey there. Welcome to today's review of PinChat, a revolutionary tool designed to transform how businesses interact with their customers across multiple platforms. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you why this tool could be a game changer for your team or business. But before we dive into the details, make sure you follow this page and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tutorials like this. If you want a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to set up PinChat, drop a comment below and I'll guide you through it in a future video. Now, let's talk about the core idea behind PinChat. It's an all-in-one customer communication platform that integrates various messaging channels into a single inbox. We've all been there, having to manage multiple messaging apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, and even live chat systems just to keep up with customer inquiries. Well, PinChat puts an end to that chaos by consolidating them all into one dashboard. No more switching between tabs or apps. With PinChat, you can manage chats across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even web chat from a single place. It's perfect for small businesses, e-commerce shops, and even large enterprises. If you've been struggling with multiple tools, this could be your all-in-one solution. It's a massive time saver and allows for more efficient customer service. But that's not all. PinChat comes with AI-powered automation. Imagine having AI handle the repetitive customer inquiries like tracking orders, working hours, or answering frequently asked questions. This allows your support team to focus on more complex or specific queries that need a human touch. You can create custom chatbots without any coding. It's all drag and drop. Let's talk about how you can automate your customer service with PinChat. You can set up automated replies for common questions, and the tool even learns over time, improving its responses. Over time, the tool adapts and gets better, ensuring your responses become quicker and more accurate. In addition, you can start conversations directly with customers using a simple link or QR code. This eliminates the need for customers to download an app or sign up. This makes it incredibly user-friendly for customers who may not be tech-savvy or for those who prefer quick communication. PinChat also lets you assign and track messages as they come in, ensuring that no message gets lost in the shuffle. Every message is categorized, and you can even assign specific team members to handle particular types of inquiries. Whether you have a small team or a large one, this feature ensures efficient distribution of tasks. Now, let's move on to PinChat's pricing structure. It's available through AppSumo, which means you're getting it at a very competitive price, especially if you're jumping in early. It offers a lifetime deal, making it a one-time payment for long-term value. This is especially useful for businesses looking to avoid subscription-based models. In addition to the pricing, PinChat offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, so you can manage customer interactions no matter where you are. This flexibility ensures you can respond to customer inquiries instantly, even when you're on the go. This is especially helpful for busy entrepreneurs and teams who need to stay connected with customers at all times. Another exciting feature of PinChat is its ability to integrate with existing CRM systems. For example, if you're already using a CRM tool to manage leads, you can sync it with PinChat for a seamless workflow. This makes it easier to nurture leads and convert them into sales without worrying about losing track of important conversations. PinChat isn't perfect though. Some users have pointed out that the performance can be a bit slow when handling larger volumes of messages. This is something the developers are aware of, and they're actively working on improving the tool's speed and performance. Other users have mentioned that while the AI functionality is impressive, it still lacks some advanced features that might be required by larger teams or businesses with more complex workflows. For example, there are no native integrations with email platforms like MailChimp or advanced analytics tools. However, these features may come in future updates, so it's worth keeping an eye on. So, what's my final verdict on PinChat? If you're a small to medium-sized business that needs to streamline communication with customers across multiple platforms, PinChat is definitely worth considering. It combines AI automation, multi-platform messaging, and simplicity into one powerful tool. One of the standout features is the AI-powered customer service automation, which can save your team hours each week by taking care of the repetitive tasks. The ease of use is another huge plus, with a simple, intuitive interface that doesn't require much learning. While the tool could benefit from some additional advanced features, especially for larger teams, it's still an excellent solution for those who want to consolidate their messaging platforms and provide a more efficient service to their customers. Before we wrap up, don't forget to comment below if you'd like a detailed tutorial on how to get started with PinChat. I'll be more than happy to show you how to set it up, connect your messaging platforms, and start automating your customer service in no time. And finally, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss another review or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.